Stop scrolling, because this message is for the one who's hurting right now. Someone walked away from you. Someone you trusted broke you. Someone you loved left you without a reason. And now your heart feels empty. You keep asking, why did they leave? Did I do something wrong? Was I not enough? Listen, you didn't lose them. God removed them. Sometimes the people who walk away are part of the plan you prayed for. You asked God for peace, so He removed the chaos. You asked God for strength, so He took away what was draining you. You asked God for truth, so He exposed what was fake. It hurts. I know. Because when hearts break, it feels like the world stops. But heaven is still working. You see, God never subtracts without planning to multiply. When someone leaves, it's not rejection, it's redirection. Maybe that friend couldn't go where you're going. Maybe that relationship was blocking your growth. Maybe that job, that circle, that season had reached its purpose. And God, in His love, had to close the door. You prayed for open doors, but sometimes the first step to a new door is watching the old one close. You might not see it now, but what left your life was never meant to last forever. It was only meant to teach you, to shape you, to prepare you. Because when God wants to bless you, He often starts by removing what's not for you. It's His way of clearing space for something better, something pure, something divine. Don't chase what God has already released. Don't fight for what He's finished with. Let go and make room for what's coming. Remember Lot's wife. She looked back and lost her future. Don't look back, my friend. What's behind you is gone. What's ahead is greater. The pain you feel now is making space for purpose. The tears you cry now are watering the soil of your next season. And when the time is right, you'll see why it had to happen this way. God doesn't waste pain. He transforms it. He turns heartbreak into healing, loss into lessons, wounds into wisdom. You'll smile again. You'll love again. You'll trust again. Because God restores not just what you lost, but what you thought you'd never have again. So, if they left, thank God. If they betrayed you, forgive and move forward. If it ended, bless it and let it go. Because something better is already on the way. Something that won't leave when it gets hard. Something that won't break when you're broken. Something that will stay because it was sent by God. This isn't the end. It's a new beginning. What's gone was good, but what's coming is God.